Donnie Gladfelter, your AU virtual host, standing here with Rich Uppus, the program manager for the Design Technology Management Conference. Tell me a little bit about this very new program at AU. It sounds very interesting. I've been seeing lots of buzz about it throughout the conference all throughout the day.
Yes, Donnie, this is the first time that we've had a conference dedicated just for managers. In the past, AU has really focused on users, but this year, we have an opportunity for managers to come together and to be able to share and grow and expand their understanding about how to do things, the best practices that they implement on a day-to-day basis. They're getting an opportunity to in this kind of this big expanse of knowledge that they all have, to kind of share that with each other and be able to, walk away with a lot better understanding about how to do things.
I'm standing here with Joseph, an individual who has attended the Design Technology Management Summit all day. You seem quite energized from your experience today.
Absolutely.
And so a moment ago I was talking with the program manager for this, pretty new or brand new element here of Autodesk University. It really sounds like a big piece of the event was all about community. Can you elaborate on that a little bit?
Actually, I'm very happy to be here with you, Donnie. Rich involved me in the beginning about talking about the Design Technology Summit last year, and I'm so glad to see that this thing came to life. It's been just really great to see some of the synergies that have developed over the day with classes and input, and just going in a place and knowing that you have all these CAD managers like you sitting in one room that you're able to talk to and converse with.
Indeed, and of course, one of the big things is, as a CAD manager, you rarely have other people to turn to, and I'm imagining that you now have a completely new index of friends.
Absolutely. Often I've been a CAD manager for 14 years, and we're stuck in a vacuum in many, many ways. And today I had a session actually that I taught here, and I had a room full of about 30 or 40 CAD managers, and it just was such a great energy. And this is pretty much what I walk away with, is a business cards of all these CAD managers that I felt like I would be welcome to call them throughout the year, and just compare notes with them and see if I'm on the right track with other things or not, and so on and so forth.
And that's a very impressive stack of business cards. I mean, I know people who come to AU and never, even achieve that throughout the entire week. Now, I mean, a little bit more about the conference itself. Obviously, many topics have been discussed throughout the day. What are some of the core bullet points that you as an attendee are walking away from the conference today?
Well, my specific arena in management is building information modeling, and one of the sessions that I actually taught was BIM and business development. And really my goal of coming up with that roundtable discussion is that for me to understand what other companies are there. And believe it or not, I'm walking away understanding that there are certain areas that I am on the right track with, when there are other areas that can use some refinement and adjustment and bettering, if you will. So I found that CAD managers are willing to share their knowledge, willing to share their successes. Sometimes the conversations were very heated and very energetic, which we really like to do and see. So
it always sounds like it was a humbling experience, really, as a presenter. Oftentimes, being a presenter is kind of a one-way communication thing, and to get that interaction back, it sounds like you're walking away with some very detailed bullet points to implement when you get back home.
Absolutely. Those unconference sessions gave an opportunity for a two-way discussion between us, the facilitators, and the CAD managers that were in the room. People exchanged business cards. They were able to go back and forth on certain topics. Do you charge for BIM? Do you not charge for BIM? Do you implement it in your marketing material? And so on and so forth. And to see those synergies develop between those leaders within the industry is unbelievable. I've been in this industry for a long time. I've came here at Autodesk University since 2000 and just either presented or sat in a room where I was presented to. And to give CAD managers the opportunity to share their experiences and learn from others is really breathtaking. It's great.
Indeed. Well, it sounds like a very exciting day. I can't wait to see some of this content aggregated together and kind of put out there in the wild to let CAD managers everywhere really digest it and make the most of this conference. Thank you, Joseph, so much for joining me today.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
And thank you, everyone back home with Autodesk University Virtual. Once again, Donnie Gladfelter reporting from the Design Technology Management Conference.